Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming your iOS version and that you're on the Wi-Fi network you intend to change. This ensures the steps match your device. Once done, open Settings and tap Wi-Fi, then tap the small info icon next to the active network. You're doing this now because changing DNS per network prevents global conflicts and simplifies testing. Make sure to copy any existing DNS entries if you need to revert. This preserves a recovery path. You now tap Configure DNS and switch from automatic to manual so you can enter specific servers. This grants precise control over name resolution. Remove any listed addresses you don't want, then add the primary DNS and a fallback secondary to avoid outages. After adding entries like 1, 1, 1, 1 and 8, 8, 8, 8, tap Save. You're doing this because manual DNS bypasses ISB defaults and can improve speed or filtering. Note your IP lease in case you need to renew or troubleshoot. You finish by verifying DNS works. Load several websites and open an app that relies on DNS. This confirms resolution and latency improvements. If a site fails, toggle Wi-Fi off and on or select Renew Lease to flush the DNS cache and apply changes immediately. Make sure to revert to previous DNS entries or reboot the device if issues persist, because a bad server can block access. One key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.